You might have seen this place on many wallpapers or postcards. This is Manarola, one of the 5 villages of Italy's Cinque Terre. Actually, the Italian pronunciation should be
Cinque Terre.
but I can't pronounce it well, so I'll pronounce it in English. Sorry. Cinque Terre is made up of 5 small villages perched on the cliffs, located in the northwest of Italy. If you take the train from Florence, it takes about 3 hours to get here. Regarding intercity transportation, you can check out the video I posted before. So you will arrive at this station, La Spezia Central. Here you can buy tickets at the ticket counter or find a ticket machine to buy tickets yourself. Ticket machines are located both outside and inside. You can find them easily. If you have enough time to visit multiple villages, you can buy a Cinque Terre Pass. The pass allows unlimited travel on trains in the Cinque Terre area. If you only plan to visit 1 or 2 villages, you can choose one-way tickets. Here, AD stands for adults and RG stands for children aged 4 to 11, while 1GG means one-day pass. Ticket prices vary between low season and peak season. After getting the ticket, you can take the train. Look for the trains heading to Levanto on the platform. The train will pass through 5 villages in sequence. Here I visit the 5th village, first Monterosso, which is the westernmost village. Compared to the other 4 villages, Monterosso is the biggest in area and has the largest population. Consequently, it also boasts more developed infrastructure, like more hotels, restaurants, shops, and public services. What sets it apart further is the sandy beach, about 1 kilometer long. In the summer, this stretch of beach is covered with umbrellas and sun lounges, with many tourists sunbathing here. And if you like hiking, the scenic path connecting Monterosso to Vernazza is one of Cinque Terre's most iconic hikes. As you can see, there are many restaurants and bistros along the beach where you can take a break. It's mid-May now, and it's quite hot during the day. If you walk east along the road, you will come to a tunnel, through which you will reach the old town. I wanted to visit more villages, so I didn't go there. Next, I took the train to the second village, Manarola. Manarola station is right on the seaside. After getting off the train, you need to go through a tunnel. Then you'll reach this area. Cross this busy street, which also has many shops and restaurants. Go up the hill on the right to reach the best photo spot. Unlike the 5th village, this one doesn't have a sandy beach. However, at the bottom of the village is a natural cove where people dive and sunbathe. Manarola is one of the most picturesque villages in the Cinque Terre. It's famous for its vibrant cliffside houses and romantic seaside charm. Though small, it is one of the most photogenic villages, especially at sunset when the illuminated buildings glow like a fairy tale. It often appears on magazine covers, postcards, and wallpapers. It is built on steep cliffs over 30 meters high, with houses following the mountain's contour and extending down to the sea. This unique geographical position gives it a magnificent yet fragile beauty. After visiting here, I returned the same way and took the train to the 4th village, Vernazza. Walking through the street, you'll find a small piazza facing the harbour, which serves as the village's social hub. Several restaurants and cafes are scattered around, where you can take a break. Vernazza is nestled between 2 steep rocky promontories and has a natural harbour where colourful fishing boats are docked. It is famous for its natural harbour, medieval castle, and vibrant cliffside houses, often hailed as the jewel of the Cinque Terre. I didn't have enough time to visit the 1st and 3rd villages. If you have, feel free to comment and share. Thank you for watching.